This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Odyssey with friends. To get started, first make sure you have two Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons or other compatible controllers ready. From the game's main menu, simply select the two-player option. This will allow one person to play as Mario and the other to take control of Cappy, Mario's sentient hat. It's a fantastic way to share the adventure and explore kingdoms together, making for a truly unique cooperative experience. In two-player mode, each person has a distinct and important role. Player 1 takes charge of Mario, handling all his movement, jumps, and ground-pound attacks. Meanwhile, Player 2 controls Cappy, who can fly around Mario, attack enemies, and even collect coins. This dynamic duo setup means you'll need to communicate and coordinate your actions to overcome challenges. Cappy's independent movement adds a fun, strategic layer to the gameplay, allowing for creative problem-solving. Working together is key to success in Super Mario Odyssey's co-op. Player 2, as Cappy, can capture enemies and objects, allowing Mario to utilize their unique abilities. For example, capturing a Goomba lets Mario stack them up. Both players work towards collecting power moons, which are essential for powering the Odyssey airship. Cappy's ability to fly and interact with the environment independently means you can explore areas Mario can't easily reach, opening up new pathways and secrets. To truly maximize your enjoyment in Super Mario Odyssey's two-player mode, communication is paramount. Talk to your partner about where you want to go and what you plan to do. Don't be afraid to experiment with Cappy's unique abilities. You might discover clever ways to defeat enemies or reach hidden areas. Remember, the primary goal is to have fun exploring the incredibly diverse and vibrant kingdoms. Enjoy the journey and the shared experience of helping Mario save Princess Peach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.